Hey everybody, it's F over at EDJ3D. If you can, like, comment, and follow, everything does help. I do got cats to feed, and it does kind of help motivate me to keep doing all this stuff. It does take a lot of time. So this video is just an update from my last one where I've improved the model. I noticed a few things that could be fixed, and it just didn't feel right uploading it as is. So I just wanted to ensure before I uploaded it, I did everything I could. The horn seemed a little fragile on the tips there. There were some supports that could easily be fixed just by tweaking the horns a bit. It's kind of hard to tell what the angle is and like how it'll affect when you 3D print it while I'm working in Nomad Sculpt. Um, but here is just another clip of the original first model I did of it. Um, the horns are a little more, yeah, I don't know. It's probably fine at home, but this is the new one. It's got one less branch in there. You can see the center horns are a little thicker and more durable. So here's it up in Nomad Sculpt with the two side by side. It's kind of hard when I'm using my PC and my phone to record, so I apologize for the aspect ratio on here. I don't know how to make it all work nice for everybody, but it took me a while to kind of figure out the best way to do this without muffing up the horns. But I did get it accomplished. I don't think you can even really tell if you were to never see the first one first. But everything still looks good. It even actually makes it print faster. It's about 40 minutes faster. It saves like 3 grams of filament, actually maybe 4. This was a test print, and that could be also why it was kind of flimsy. I used like 6% infill. I just wanted to print fast, but it completes in like 6.5 hours, which is pretty good for all the detail here. And I used a point 0.2, so like I can't believe how well and sharp it came out. This is them side by side. When you open the file, I have them all labeled. V1 is the original one with the pointier horns. Version 2 here in the black is gonna have the little shorter, thicker horns. Probably safer to ship with that one. I'd be really hesitant to ship the other. I'm actually pretty hesitant to ship either, but I think the V2 you could easily get away with a little better. It's a little more sturdy. You can also cut it in your slicer into parts, and then it'll be a lot easier to ship that way. Came out really clean, really good. I can't believe how well and detailed this thing is. It's just kind of blowing my mind. The bowl's cool. It looks good. It looks pretty natural. Um, you can even see like his skin's nice and charred looking. I got all the horns evened out. Essentially, after I fixed everything, I mirrored it to make sure everything looked nice and tidy. So it's good to go now. This is them side by side again. You can see a little easier the horn difference now. That one's definitely a lot more pointy and taller, but it looks cooler, in my opinion. But that might just because I've been staring at it for so long. And again, I just want to thank everybody for checking this out. I appreciate it. These are some of my first things I've made. All the links will be in my description. The free version will be available only for a limited time on MakerWorld, so get it while you can. I am moving everything to Patreon and things as I grow further. I appreciate again everybody for watching. Like, comment, follow, subscribe. If you have any questions, give me a message or put it in the comments. Thank you.